Hello everyone, so this is how to clear and reset your Google Chrome browser. This means that it's going to delete all saved passwords, bookmarks, and it's going to do a complete reset of your Chrome browser. So you want to go on the right side, on top on these three dots, click on it, go to settings. Now scroll down and under privacy and security, click on clear browsing data. Now it's going to clear browsing history, cookies, cache images and files. So this is just basic. You want to make sure it's all time. Click on advanced. So it has to be all time, that means everything. You want to make sure all these are checked. And click clear data. And this is going to clear all saved passwords, history, and saved bookmark. All these things are deleted when you do this. Now to reset the Chrome browser, scroll down again, click on advanced, and scroll all the way until you see reset and clean up. So click on restore settings to the original defaults, click on that. You can leave this unchecked, and this will reset your startup page, new tabs page, search engine. So click on reset settings. Close your browser, open it back. So your Google Chrome browser has been reset. There are no saved passwords, no saved bookmarks, and no history of which websites you have been to. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe